Welcome back, everyone. This is our last unit on exclusively HTML. We'll continue to use HTML, but this is really the last there's two big pieces here that are essential. The first thing we're going to talk about are tables, HTML tables, and then the most important thing we'll cover are HTML forms and a bunch of inputs and how we create modern accessible forms. So we're going to start with tables. We'll talk about when you should and shouldn't use tables, how they've been used historically, and a bunch of elements that we use to create tables. It can be a little crazy. Fortunately, tables aren't used all that often. But then we're going to spend the bulk of our time on the form element and a bunch of associated elements, different inputs and form controls and labels, so that we can define modern, complex HTML forms with validations and that are accessible. They'll include things like labels and they'll follow best practices. Obviously, forms come up quite a bit in applications, whether it's an e-commerce website or a store, or even just anything with authentication, or even just a mailing list you want somebody to sign up for. Forms are everywhere. So we're going to cover them in this unit. But first, tables. So here we go.